Hi, to change text size on your iPhone 16e, just open Settings. Here scroll a bit down to find Display and Brightness tab, and then select Text Size. Now you can drag this dot to the left side to make it smaller, like this, or to the right side to make it bigger. As you can see, larger sizes are available in accessibility settings. So let's go in accessibility now. I'm gonna find my accessibility tab. Here pick display and text size and then pick larger text. So now you can enable larger accessibility sizes by tapping on the switcher and then drag this slider right, and this is the biggest option possible. I'm gonna disable it and go back in my settings, choose display and brightness again, and scroll a bit down to find display zoom. And here you can also switch between default and larger text and tap down to save changes. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.